In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use openboard with Zoom. If you've ever found yourself needing to illustrate ideas or concepts while in a Zoom meeting, then this guide is exactly what you need. We'll walk through how to seamlessly integrate openboard, a virtual whiteboard application, with Zoom to enhance your presentations and discussions. So let's get started. First, ensure you have already opened the openboard application on your computer. Having openboard ready to go before you start navigating Zoom will help the process flow smoothly without any interruptions. Once you've confirmed that openboard is open and running, head over to the Zoom website or open the Zoom desktop application, whichever you prefer. Once you're on the Zoom interface, look for the Sign In button. If you're not already signed into your Zoom account, click on this button to proceed. It's important to note that signing into your account will give you access to all available features and settings, and it's a crucial step for sharing openboard during a meeting. After clicking Sign In, you will be presented with several sign-in options. For ease and convenience, you can choose to sign in with your Google account. Find the Google button among the options and click on that. This action may prompt a window asking you to select which Google account you'd like to use. Simply click on your preferred account to proceed. Now that you're signed into Zoom, you can join an existing meeting or create a new one. If you're joining a meeting, make sure you have the necessary meeting ID or link provided by the host. If you're hosting or starting a new meeting, you can pick whatever settings best suit your needs, such as enabling or disabling the video, choosing participants, and so on. Once inside the meeting, your next crucial step is to share your screen. Look for the Share Screen button on the bottom toolbar of the Zoom window. Clicking on this button will open a new window displaying the various screens and applications you can share. From this window, locate and select the openboard application from the list of available options. Selecting openboard ensures that it becomes the primary focus for all meeting participants, allowing you to begin your interactive presentation or brainstorming session. With openboard now active and visible to all participants, take advantage of its features to make your meetings more engaging and informative. You can draw, annotate, and engage your audience just as if you were standing in front of a real whiteboard. Keep this guide in mind every time you wish to enhance your virtual meetings with openboard on Zoom. Thank you for watching and see you next time.